Undefined and null are two special types of values in JavaScript. What do they mean? Both symbolize a lack of value or no data, but there is a subtle difference between them. Undefined means that a variable has been declared but has not yet been assigned a value. Let's look at an example. Let name, and variable is declared but not initialized yet. Let's add name to watch, and we get undefined. We declared the variable name, but we did not assign any value to it. Hence, the value is undefined. Now, if we assigned a value to it, like name equals Alice, we no longer get undefined. Null also signifies the absence of a value, but it's usually used more intentionally by the programmer to highlight that a variable has no value. For example, let name equals null, and we get null. Name is now a placeholder for a value that will be added in the future, like name equals Alice, and now we get Alice. To sum up, undefined means a variable has been declared but has not yet been assigned a value. Null explicitly indicates no value, and it's often used as a placeholder for an expected object.